Welcome to CiaoTool's one-click token creation tutorial video. One-click token creation enables fast, low-cost establishment of custom tokens without any coding knowledge. Simple and efficient. Before starting token creation, please prepare the following. 1. Install and log in to your wallet. 2. Prepare approximately 0.1 to 0.3 SOL for creating token accounts and initializing transactions. First, open the CiaoTool official website and navigate to Token Management, Create Token panel. Enter the required token name, symbol, and logo. The precision setting here determines the token's smallest unit. 6 is suitable for regular tokens, while 9 is better for scenarios requiring higher precision. Then input the desired issuance amount. If you want users to join your community or learn about your project, this information serves as the most intuitive method. Here, you can choose to spend 0.01 SOL to customize your contract address. Paste your pre-generated private key, and the system will use this address to deploy your token, ensuring the contract address matches your expectations. Next are the permission settings. Generally, tokens needing to be listed on Raydium should renounce, freeze, and minting authority. Metadata modification permissions can be chosen as needed. If you renounce metadata permissions, the token name and logo cannot be updated later. Once everything is ready, click the Create Token button. When the task begins executing, a log pop-up will appear to show real-time progress. After successful transaction, you'll receive transaction and token links for direct viewing. If any issues occur during the process, the specific reasons will be clearly displayed. Failed operations won't incur any charges.